What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and today we're going to do a little bit of gambling. So if you got a little bit of gambling blood in you, this is probably right up your alley. At the same time, be very careful because I can see this being very, very addictive. So what am I talking about? This is NiceHash EasyMining. You may have heard it before as Catch the Block. So how this works is you are renting solo mining hash power, and then your rewards are going to the miners on whatever algorithm or coin you do choose. So coming into here, you have various packages and some are limited time. Right now, their current special is Raven coin. It's only going to last for another 16 days and 16 hours. Then I think it's probably going to swap to a different coin, or they're going to revamp for a different coin to try in the future. But this one is like a limited edition thing. It looked back at, oh, someone just smashed out a block right now on Chromium. It looks like Chromium is actually doing pretty good with that Raven coin. So each package is kind of priced close to the same until you get to the Dogecoin and Bitcoin ones. But starting at the first one, you can pay $1.67 and have the chance to make $47. This is what you would make right now if you were to hit that block. The second package is $10, same block reward. And then the third package is $33.46 for this Raven coin here to make $47.32. The block reward remains the same, obviously, because you're trying to hit that block. That if you hit multiple blocks, you will get all that as well. So this is just lining up for a single block we do hit. The difference between each package here is 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours. And I do believe you get more hash rate for longer with each package as well. The other current packages they are listing right now is your bronze package. This is your Zcash. Silver packages, this is your Dogecoin, and gold package is the big daddy Bitcoin itself. So here you can see you can try solo mining this for an hour for $1.67. Now you can also see your probability of 1 in 70,922. As you go up, it drops, but still the package price for the silver and gold is, for the maximum here, is $167 for both of these. But they do have some nice rewards if you were to win. Remember, it's not guaranteed you're going to win. There's a good chance that you won't. Like here, 1 in 712. So in theory, out of 712 tries, you will be able to at least hit one block, hopefully. And it'll cost you more to do that because I think I worked it out. It's like 123,000 to run it 700 and some times here. And you're only going to make 103 at the current price. So remember, it's going to boom in the future, but right now you will lose money if you go through the whole thing. So this is where solo luck will come into hand. You could hit that block or you might not. Gambling 100%. So NiceHash actually did send me out about $100 here to try this out and showcase to you guys how the dashboard and everything does work. So I think for packages I'm going to choose from would be the bronze L. So it's going to cost me $66 to potentially win $96. So this will be a 4-hour thing. The probability is 1 in 2, so a 50% chance. Again, it's luck based. You know, I could hit 300% and not hit a block. So keep these things in mind. It's still luck based, but the probability is there. Next up, I'm probably going to go with the Silver M. This is your Dogecoin. It's going to cost $16 here for a potential chance of $715. And of course, I'm going to have to try Bitcoin. I'm going to go with the Gold M as well. $16 for a chance at $103,000. So we're going to see what happens. So let's show you what happens here. I'm going to have to send some funds into my actual wallet. So before I actually send any funds, I want to run through how you get your rewards. So if you click the details on any package here, you can get the rewards to an external wallet address, to any address that you have within your own wallet, but it depends what you're mining. So Ravencoin, for example, it's not going to pay you out in Bitcoin. It's actually going to pay you out the full block reward in Ravencoin. So when we click on the payout address, it'll tell you right here, by choosing the external wallet, potential block reward will be paid in Raven. So keep that in mind. If you're trying a solo package on Raven, you can get it to your external Ravencoin wallet address. Same thing applies for all the other coins. Let's go to details on Dogecoin here. Click on external wallet address, and here it will pay you out in Doge. So if you do choose the external wallet address, just keep that in mind. It's not your BTC address that you're used to with NiceHash. It will be the individual coin that you do plan to mine. Now, you don't need to do it that way. It will just pay out to your normal NiceHash wallet if you leave it as is and not set an external. But I thought this is a key point that some of you guys may want to know. The other thing is you will not be able to receive your rewards unless you do complete their KYC tier 2. Now I tried doing this. I was having errors with my driver's license because it's about to expire. So I did renew my driver's license there. I'm waiting for my new one to come in. So if I do win anything here, I'm not going to be able to withdraw until I actually go through that KYC process. So you got to keep this in the back of your mind. KYC is needed to get your rewards if you win. And someone else just hit another Raven coin block a few seconds ago. It's lighting up. This Chromium package seems to be blowing up. That's awesome to everyone that's doing it. So this is Chromium L. He bought this one here. So 33, he got 47. Now, I don't know how long he's been going for, so he could still hit 2, 3, 4 blocks and potentially times 3 times 4 this amount right here. So go guy, go buddy, go. But it looks like Raven coin is killing it. And here you can see the total blocks found so far on NiceHash. So for Zcash, is 4,007 been found. Raven, I don't know how long it's been going, but it looks like it's been burning up here. We're almost at 1,200 blocks. Doge, 648 have been found. Bitcoin Cash, which I haven't found in any of the packages now. So maybe that's part of the special one here. So it's not listed yet, but 493 of them have been found. I believe Hobbyist, he actually did the same video on the same topic here and hit 2 blocks of Bitcoin Cash, I believe. So awesome for him for doing that. And then obviously there is 9 BTC blocks have been found through this. This is awesome. But when I was talking to NiceHash, funny story, someone who actually hit one of these blocks, they blew it all again, right back into hoping to hit another block. And it sounds like they may have lost it all, but I don't know the full details on that. So remember, guys, if you win something like this, it's probably best to hold on to it, not try to get more. Just saying. So in order to send some funds here, it's a pretty simple process. All you got to do is first be logged into NiceHash. Now, this is the same NiceHash that you would use if you're connecting your miners. I've had some ASICs and everything connected here. You simply click on the EasyMining tab on the top. Pick any chosen one you want. You don't have to pick it right now, but you can hit any package and simply go down to the deposit part. So hit the deposit, and now we're going to hit the deposit to our NiceHash wallet. Now this wallet is actually different from the wallet address that you're using with NiceHash while mining with the quick miner stuff. Keep that in mind. This address is a little bit different. Now, if you want to send some funds, here's my address. Go to it. So I'm going to send about 100 USD worth of funds that NiceHash did give me for this video. So let's test this out and get these funds sent over. All right, so I did send some Bitcoin. I just got to wait for the confirmations, but I just wanted to showcase what it looks like once you do begin the sending process. So now we just got to wait it out and wait for everything to get the confirmations through. We do only need 3, and then I can start purchasing some of these packages. While I wait for all the Bitcoin confirmations to go through, so we actually have some cash here to rent some hash power, I want to go through some little tips and tricks that may help you kind of wait for the perfect time to do some solo mining. So I went into mining pool stats for each coin here actually that is supported through this EasyMining. So we got Bitcoin, Zcash, Dogecoin, and Raven coin. So coming into here, we can see that the Bitcoin hash rate is pretty stable. The difficulty is down a little bit than it was a few weeks ago, so that's a bonus, but obviously Bitcoin hash rate has been on an upward rise, so keep an eye on that. Zcash, we're fairly stable. It might be down a little bit. The price is also going up, so that's a bonus. We can kind of see our hash rates here. Yeah, it is dipping a little bit, so that's good. Definitely getting in that. Dogecoin, it's fairly stable, straightforward, no big dips or anything. And Raven coin, we actually have a spike right now. So maybe it's a bad idea to do it, but it also looks like it's starting to dip. Going by the 7-day trend here, it's up, down, up, down, up, down. So if you kind of wait till you start to see it go down a little bit, which it looks like it might be doing now, you might be able to hit it around this area in here, which means the difficulty and hash rate is down, a higher chance to hit those solo blocks. So just some things to go do in the background while you are waiting or thinking about maybe renting some hash power to increase that. In the end, remember, it is all a gamble and it comes down to luck. You either hit that block or you won't. All right, so it looks like as of 3 minutes ago, everything is confirmed and ready to go. So it is time to take a look at some packages and rent some hash power. So I got a total of $105.16. So maybe I can squeeze in maybe a Chromium S or something in here as well. But we'll see what happens once I get these 3 main packages sorted out. So This video may be a little long for some of you, but I do like to try to go through everything so there is no confusion. So I'm going to hit on details here. We're going to try this Zcash here for $66. Probability is 1 in 2, so 50%. Again, you know, it's very luck based. It could be a higher probability in that, but we'll see. So I agree to the terms and now we buy. So as you can see, we don't know how much hash power we're actually going to get yet. Hopefully we should see it in this part. So I'm just going to hit the buy now section. Let's see what happens and order placed. All right, so it's just doing it. We don't get to see how much we have, but we can see the dashboard here. It's preparing our order, getting ready to go, and Bronze L will go to the moon soon. So let's actually get back and rent the rest of the packages that we want. So we also wanted to roll with this Silver M. So this is for 2 hours, I believe. Yeah, 2 hours. I agree. We're going to buy that one now. Send that one to the moon. All right, let's go. We're mining away like crazy, guys. We are going crazy. And of course, we wanted this Bitcoin one. This is the big daddy that we all want to win. That's next to impossible to do. But if we did, that'd be amazing. So we're going to buy this one now. There we go. Another package. Do I have any left over? So it didn't take any money really away yet. So can I just hit a whole bunch really fast and it'll glitch out? I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I'm just kidding, guys. You can't do that. There's something going on here. But we'll see what's going on. So it still says I have 102. So I think I should have enough for one more package. You know what? Let's go with this chromium just because. So I'm going to buy this one as well. Purchase it. Go to the moon. There is all my dashboard. So I'm going to wait about 20 minutes or something. That should give it all time to hit green. It does look like we have at least one going now. So it's still preparing the other 3. But we'll check it out and come back in a few minutes once everything is up and running. All right, so it only took about a minute or something and everything is now green and looks like it's mining as it should. So hopefully we end up hitting some blocks. So if we actually come into any one of these packages, do the chromium here. This is your Raven coin. Click on that. This must be how much time is left. It's supposed to be for an hour, but it's telling us there's an hour and 10 minutes left. So not sure why it's doing that. Regardless, as long as we hit some blocks, I don't really care what these numbers say, right? That's all we care about at this point. We need some blocks, but we'll see what happens. So this one was only $1.67. And if I do hit that block, I would get $47. Now, also you could catch the block multiple times within this time span. It's not limited to the one. So there's always that chance for more. But remember, we are solo mining. We have no idea what's going on if we'll hit that block or not. It's luck based, 100%. Gold M here, same thing. This is our mining BTC. Now this will be for 2 hours. This is what we want to hit. We want this block for sure. Silver M here. This is our Doge mining for 2 hours. So, you know, it'd be nice to obviously hit a block on all of these. Potential winnings here is $713 from only paying $16.69. And then we got the Bronze L. This is the big package we paid for, $66 or so. And we have a chance to win $98, but we can do this for 4 hours. So hopefully we get a couple blocks in this package, but we'll see what happens. So I'm going to let this sit. I will come back once all the packages are complete and see if we won anything. I just wanted to run through this. It popped up in case you're curious. Close to reward, 58%. So this has only been running for about 10 minutes or so now. So I don't know what it means by this. Maybe by the difficulty of the share that it found, it was pretty close to discovering that block. Now remember, when solo mining, you could find the block at 3% luck. You could find one at 4,000% luck. You never know when you're going to hit it. So, you know, just because it says this, I wouldn't say I was close or anything at all. I'd just be like, all right, either you find the block or you don't. That's kind of how I look at it. So I wanted to point this out though, in case you did try this and you're curious that, oh, I was so close to the reward, but either you get it or you don't. All right, so it looks like all my packages are now complete. So let's see if we won anything or not. So I'm going to click on see all my packages. There's 0 active now, completed, and no rewards. So there's $100 and I didn't get nothing. But I did find some fancy new stats that we can look at, and you could see these during the process as well. So let's go with Raven coin, for example. You click on these 3 dotted lines, go to your order. You can actually see how much hash rate you were hashing at. So here we have 0.0025 terahash. If I actually copy this in, go to my hash power calculator. I already did it, so it's right here. I was actually playing around with 2.5 gigahash worth of Ravencoin hash rate. So it's kind of insane how fast and easy it is to play around with that much hash rate. Now, I didn't find any blocks, so you can get an idea here on 2.5 gigahash. Do you have that much? Should you try solo mining? Maybe you will hit that block, maybe you won't. But all these packages I did rent, I didn't hit nothing. I also want to point out I did do an additional Chromium S, which is the cheap $1.67 Raven coin one, and I do still have another $1.67 left. So I could go back into here and choose any one of these cheap packages for gambling. So this was actually kind of cool. It was a lot of fun to do. I lost in the end. I didn't hit anything, but I am actually a little bit addicted to this, to be honest with you. You know, what if I do try $1.67 here and actually hit something? What if I tried the big package here and I hit something? Because I think you do get, like I said earlier, more hash rate with the larger packages. So what if I tried this out and maybe hit 2 blocks or something? You know, it's a possibility. I think I might try sending some more funds in and trying all 3 of these packages at the same time, just to see how much of a difference in hash rate there is. Because that's one thing I couldn't test, because I did do different variant packages throughout instead of all within the same, to see how much hash rate more you do get per package. So there's still more testing that needs to be done, but overall, you know, I lost, I gambled, it was a fail. NiceHash did send me that money, so I didn't lose too much. I did send a little bit extra over, but regardless, I lost. So I am thinking about maybe trying this again. I think there's a lot more testing that needs to be done, but this is fun. It is a cool, exciting way to actually rent hash power and gamble away some money, or potentially win some money. So who knows? So take it any way you want. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.